written and created by Sad Girl Productions. This video is for educational and journalistic purposes only. All information is based on public court records and official statements. Please note that all individuals mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This channel does not provide legal advice, and our reporting is strictly for news commentary and public interest. In February 2026, a federal judge in Los Angeles issued a series of rulings that will shape what jurors are allowed to see and hear in the upcoming murder-for-hire trial involving Chicago rapper Durk Banks, known professionally as Lil Durk. According to reporting from Complex and Courts and Crime, U.S. District Judge Michael W. Fitzgerald delivered a mixed decision on whether prosecutors can use songs, lyrics, music videos, and online messages as evidence when the case goes to trial later this year. The ruling comes after months of legal arguments between prosecutors and the defense over how much of an artist's music can legally be used in court. Prosecutors had asked to introduce excerpts from 13 songs and multiple music videos. The judge allowed 4 lyric excerpts, some of them with portions removed, while 5 were denied outright. 4 additional excerpts remain under consideration, with prosecutors expected to present further arguments at a scheduled hearing on February 23, 2026. In one notable decision, the judge ruled that lyrics from the song Hanging with Wolves cannot be used as evidence. Prosecutors had argued that a line referencing catching a flight could support their theory that Banks intended to flee authorities. Judge Fitzgerald rejected that argument, stating the lyrics were too speculative and risked unfairly influencing a jury. He said lyrics offered only to suggest character or intent would be excluded because they amounted to what he described as sheer propensity. When it comes to music videos, the court ruled that in most cases, screenshots of videos will be used instead of playing full videos for jurors. However, the judge left open the possibility that one particular video could still be admitted if prosecutors can demonstrate that it allegedly functioned as proof of a reward connected to the alleged plot. That decision will depend on whether the court determines the material is more probative than prejudicial. The judge also allowed prosecutors to introduce certain social media material and an alleged direct message attributed to Banks, as well as online comments urging retaliation after the 2020 death of Chicago rapper Davon Bennett, also known as King Von. Prosecutors argue these materials are relevant to motive. Defense attorneys have argued that music and online speech should not be treated as literal evidence of criminal conduct. The broader case centers on allegations that Banks conspired with others in 2022 to target a rival rapper in Los Angeles. Prosecutors claim the intended target survived a shooting near the Beverly Center, while a relative traveling with him was killed. Banks has pleaded not guilty, and all defendants in the case are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. With trial expected to begin in the coming months, these evidentiary rulings will play a significant role in determining what jurors ultimately hear. Further hearings are scheduled, and additional decisions on lyrics and video material are still pending.